So in this ride I will be taking this one, not that one, because this is much more comfortable in highway rides. So I will be taking the Pulsar 220F, but not that one, and because this is an highway specific ride, and I put this international flag over there, here as you can see, and I इस डंडे के साथ इसको अटैच कर दिया और यहाँ पर एक आयरन वायर के साथ इसको टाई कर दिया, और इन बोथ साइड में ये नेशनल फ्लैग है, इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग है. So as this is in Independence Day ride, so I put this in both side of the bike, and I was supposed to put a national flag over here also, but that will not look that great, so I never did that. And my bike is all dirty, you can see over there, all dirty mud everywhere, but I am not going to wash it because this is a rainy season, and hopefully tomorrow it will also rain, so there is no point of cleaning it because it will again get dirty tomorrow, so I never cleaned it. Everything is messed up over here, my gloves, my phone, my earphone, everything, and I will be taking this camera also, and that is the tank bag. I will be taking that tank bag, and this is an international flag left over here, and that is my GoPro. Everything is messed over here, and it is already 11 PM right now, so I have to organize everything and get to sleep as early as possible. So I will be taking this backpack and this tank bag both together in this ride, because this will only carry my SLR cameras, my mobile phones, my headphones, my audio jacks and all those stuffs, and the memory cards, and this backpack will carry my clothes and a few more stuff. So I am standing for my friend to come, and I am standing on the Belgore Expressway. This is the Belgore Expressway, and I have put these two flags in the front and this one in the back, and I am waiting for my friend to come actually, and he is a bit late, so I am waiting for him, and this is like 6 AM right now, and finally he arrived. So this is Sumit, and this is his R15, and we will be going to Digha or Udaipur. So it is not actually fixed right now, so I was waiting for him for like 30 minutes, and initially we were supposed to visit Digha, but after that we decided to go to Udaipur, because Digha, you can say it is the second home for the Bengalis, the people of West Bengal, because that is a very popular destination, and कोई भी छुट्टी का दिन होता है तो पीपल का टेंडेंसी रहता है कि दीघा विजिट करो एक बार, तो उसलिए थोड़ा क्राउडेड रहेगा दीघा टुडे. So because this is 15th of August, so we decided to visit Udaipur, but in Udaipur होटल मिलना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि एकदम नज़दीक कोई होटल नहीं रहता है उधर पर, तो हम लोगों को दीघा पर ही रहना पड़ेगा, एंड वी हैव टू विजिट उदयपुर एट द सेम टाइम, एंड I think it will not rain today, although it is cloudy. However, it is not much of a big ride, and it is like 200 kilometers from Kolkata, and we can easily reach there by 10:30. Max to max 10:30 we will reach there. Actually the highway till the Nandakumar is okay, is fine, but after Nandakumar the road is really pathetic, so our average speed will decrease after Nandakumar Island, after crossing the Nandakumar Island actually, and hopefully we will take a halt at Kolaghat, and we will take our breakfast over there, and after that we will continue our journey.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
So that was a Kolkata bridge that we crossed just now, as you've seen in the video, and we are in Kolkata right now. And as I said before, we will be having our breakfast over here, and we have crossed 70 kilometers from our home, and we will take a small halt for the breakfast. And the dhabas to my left hand side is not that good, so I will not recommend you also to take food from those dhabas. फूड अच्छा नहीं रहता है. So dhabas on my right hand side of the highway is better. So we will be taking an U-turn from here, and we will be going to the right hand side of the highway, where the restaurants or the dhabas are really, they prepare good quality food at a reasonable rate also. But there are some costly restaurants, costly hotels also available over here. बट यू नो, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए 500,000 रुपया खर्च करने का कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. एंड ईच एंड एवरी टाइम वी पास फ्रॉम हियर, वी टेक आवर फूड फ्रॉम दिस रेस्टोरेंट. द नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट इज होटल महाराज or something, so I don't remember properly. So this is the hotel. It is named as Hotel Maharaj.
আমরা এখানে কতদিন আগে আসছিলাম বলে দিই. গরম হয়ে যাবে, নিয়ে গরম হয়ে যাবে, নিয়ে চল.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
So we did like 70 kilometers from Kolkata, and here we are for breakfast. We stopped here for breakfast, and Sumit is sitting beside me. So what we are taking? Puris and sabjis.
And some coke.
Yeah, we are taking some puris and sabjis, and some cokes and omelets.
Royal Enfield group আছে, তো ও দূরে দূরে যায়.
So we are waiting for the food. For they just gave one plate of puri and omelette, and I am waiting for my dish to come.
এগুলা কি ঠান্ডা ধরে নাকি? হ্যাঁ বলছি এখন সব হেলমেটে এরকম সিস্টেম আছে। কি ধরে? ঠান্ডা ধরে না 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 ওই আমরা যে রাইড করি সেটা শুটিং হয়।
So we have crossed the Nandakumar Island, and as I said before, the highway is very narrow after the Nandakumar Island, but the scenic beauty is really good. uh, Greenery in the either side of the highway, but still you need to be very careful riding on this highway, in this part of highway, because it's very narrow. And it is becoming very hot over here, and we are sweating inside. But however, it's better to sweat inside than to get drenched in the rain, because it was very cloudy in the morning, but still it did not rain today, so we are lucky for that. But it is very hot right now. एंड इन दिस रोड में क्या होता है कि सामने कोई बड़ा व्हीकल अगर आ जाए तो क्या है ना कि क्रॉस करने में बहुत दिक्कत होता है, एंड बाय दिस वे यू विल लूज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
It is too much noisy over here. I don't know you can hear it properly or not. My flag was intact, as you can see over there, but Sumit's flag was in a bad shape. So we found this shop over there who is selling Indian national flag, and so Sumit managed to buy some flags. And actually it's not a flag, that is a what should I say, ribbon. This is the Digha gate, and we came from that side, and we will go this side, and this is the Digha. This is the proper Digha. As you cross this gate, you are in proper Digha, and that is a beautiful sculpture over there. And our bikes are parked over here, and Sumit's bikes is parked over here. So it is really very hot, and we can't wait to get to our hotels. And this is the gate, Digha gate. After crossing this, you are properly in Digha.
কচুরি হবে এখন হবে না।
So we are searching for the hotels, and as this is 15th August, Independence Day, so the charges are too much high. Even a shabby room costs like 3,000 rupees or something. So we are searching for a suitable room within our budget, and these are all the hotels behind me. And we are searching for quite a long time, and this is very hot. We are tired. It's a very short ride, but still the road after Nandakumar is not that good, so we are really tired. So we are standing in the Udaipur beach, and I don't know the proper way to get to the beach actually. সুমিত, এখান দিয়ে নামা যাবে না, ওদিক দিয়ে নাও। So and this is the Udaipur beach, and these vehicles are available over here. You can take these vehicles from Digha to reach Udaipur if you don't have your personal vehicle. And these are all the shops over here. This is all these shops or all these small dhabas over here to have some snack or something. And actually, this beach is also crowded. We thought that this would be we will get some less crowd over in this beach, but we were wrong. This is also very crowded. I think this is 15th August, and that is the reason why every beach is crowded. Bike na? Egulo bharar bike na? So these bikes are available on rent, and you cannot bring your bike to the beach. Huh.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
So good morning guys, this is Wednesday and we are in our room in Digha, and this is we booked the room at 15th August, and this is 16th August. We will be leaving towards Kolkata shortly, and it is like 7 AM right now, and we are supposed to leave this hotel within 5 or 5:30, but you know, we slept well, so we are unable to wake up early in the morning. However, I will show you the room. This is the small room, but it's clean, as you can see. Television over there as usual. The AC is working fine, and we have a balcony over there. I'll show you the balcony. So this is a small balcony over here. However, if you come to Digha, you can book this hotel. This is named as AP International. Really, the rooms are really clean. The washrooms are also clean, as you can see. So yeah, we will be heading towards Kolkata shortly. So we are all set to head towards Kolkata.